Hello everyone, uh, welcome in a new video, and I tell you it was a morning today. I was sleeping, and suddenly something woke me up and I didn't know what happened, what's going on, and then I realized it's a doorbell and I was like, oh my god, what's going on, who is it? So I ran away from the stairs with the night dress I still have on, and I opened the main door and it was courier. And I just realized that a few days ago I ordered some packages. As you can see, it's a lot of boxes. So it wakes me up totally, and the courier helped me out with the boxes to the main door. It's heavy, it's really heavy, so I have to by my own take the boxes to my floor, and it was horrible. I had to take a break because it was like morning exercise. Well, but I did it. It was quite a shocking morning, but I'm alive, I'm here. So yeah, it's a lot of boxes. I didn't expect it will be in a lot of boxes like that. So let's open the first box. It's most heavy. And let's check it out what's inside. Well, I know what's inside, but you don't know, but you will know in a second. So a lot of bubble foil. And here it is. As you can see, and it's heavy. So as you can see, it's kettlebell and it's so big. I didn't expect it will be big like this. It's 12 kilos and it is so big and also heavy. So now I can tell you that I ordered some dumbbells and kettlebells for a workout, and I think many of you know that before the pandemic I used to work out a lot, but then everything was closed and we just had to stay home, so I didn't work out properly. And now the situation is unsure too, we don't know what will happen and how it will be. So I decided to, to stay fit, to buy these stuff, and I will do workouts at home. So I also want to do exercise videos, and it will be fun. So that's why I ordered these items. And here we have 2 dumbbells, and it's pretty heavy and it's pretty big. So it's really big. It's 6 kilos and it seems like good shape for you know, to hold it in the hand. But it's really heavy. So but I'm happy I have them. And I can't wait to exercise with them. So I will put this aside. And we can go for another box. And it's heavy. Well, everything is heavy here. And let's check it out what's inside this box. Oh, more dumbbells. How surprising. So these ones are 10 kilos, one dumbbell. So I think I won't be able to even take it out from the box. But yeah, it's not that hard. But it's heavy. So it's quite hot here right now. So 10 kilos. And you may be wondering like, oh my god, why she has 10 kilos dumbbell? Well, it's good when you do like a squats or something. So just have one dumbbell in two hands like this. But it was really good price. So I bought it like in pair of two dumbbells. So I'll put this aside and we can go for this box. Yes. Also heavy, but I think you're not surprised. So let's open it. Yeah. So I don't know if you like or if you will like this unboxing video. I hope you will like it and you will like this video. Oh yes, and finally something not that heavy, and it's 2 kilos dumbbell, and the color is just amazing. It's nice pink color. I love it. So I have it also in pairs, so 2 pieces. This is amazing, like really for girls. And then we have 4 kilo dumbbell. It's also nice color. It's gray. Something is inside. But yeah, it's not that heavy too. But good like for the upper body workout. Like for arms and back. So I will have to wash them because it's pretty dirty. So I will put it over here to the others. So I really didn't remember that I ordered a lot of stuff, like here you can see. Okay. Because always when you ordering something, you just, you know, you don't realize how many items you have in the basket. So this is a smaller box. have no idea what could be inside. Let's check it out. Well, I'm always excited when I have something new, like some box. Here. So here is also pink color. And it's a dumbbell. Like, isn't it cute? This is a 10 kilos, so it's quite better than the 12 one. It's not that heavy. It's heavy, but I can lift it with my hands. So it's also great with the squats or something like that. I can't wait to try. So I will put it aside too, and like, I love the colors. It's amazing. Well, because it's not that boring, like just black. It's nice. Okay, so I have here last box. It's really heavy. Let's open it. I don't know what is this. I really don't remember. Well, it's very well packed. But it's good sometimes when I receive packages. It's not very well packed, and that annoys me because something can break or something. So, and I see already it's black dumbbells again. It's also quite big. So I think this one will be the 7 kilos. Something like that. Oh, 7.5 kilograms. Yeah, it's heavy. And it's so dirty. I don't know if you can see. I will have to wash them. So it's really, really big. I didn't expect it will be big like this because, you know, some dumbbells are quite small, like these, but they have like 5-6 kilos. These ones are really big. So, as you can see, it's not very clean, which is okay. I will just let it be in the box. But I can't wait to do exercise. I really can't wait to do some workout. Yeah, I have very clean hands. And last thing I have here to open, it's this, and maybe you know what's in there because it has the shape. So let's check it out. finally I open it. It was very well packed and it took me forever to open it. But yeah, as you can see, it's a exercise mat and it looks so comfortable. So it has two sides and it's long, so it's good when you want to lay on it. And it's good this side because it's not squeezing on the floor, so it's stick there. And I love it so much. I also can't wait to do some exercise on it, and I love it. So that's all what I have here. It's a lot of stuff like dumbbells and the kettlebells. So well, first workout what I have to do is take these to the bathroom and wash everything. But I hope you like this video, like unboxing stuff. And yeah, that's all what I have here right now. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and I can't wait to do the exercise videos, so I hope it will be okay and it won't be any problem with it, like it's heavy. And well, that's all. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and see you next time. Bye!